Good morning, children. Today we will continue scene 2 of lesson 8. Narrator. As a young girl, Manu has a friend and companion, Nana, the son of Baji Rao. A young girl and boy of the same age, dressed in riding gear, enter. The boy is out of breath. Who was out of breath? Nana, a friend of Manu. So the Manu says to Nana, Nana, you're already breathless. I want you not to challenge me. But you did. Now you know who rides faster. So the Nana replied, I know, I know. What a fool I was. Manu, you really are brave. The way you lifted me on your horse, well, I fell. And the way you rode were remarkable. I couldn't have done that. So the Manu says, all this is due to my father Nana. After my mother died, he took me to Bithura, where I took lessons in horse riding and warfare. Warfare means activities involved in war. Someday I shall become a soldier. So the Nana says, and I shall ride by your side. Remember, Manu, if you ever need me, all you have to do is call. So the Manu replied, I will remember, Nana. Narrator. The two part ways to go to their respective homes. Time flies. Time flies means time goes by very quickly. Moropant Tambe receives a messenger who has a marriage proposal. Marriage proposal means offer of marriage from a girl's or a boy's family for Manu. So the marriage proposal was for Manu. The proposal is from Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Manu's father agrees to the marriage proposal and he is happy. He should be, for Gangadhar Rao is a good man. Gangadhar Rao is a good man. Now we will start scene 3. At the scene of the wedding festivities are on. The state priest of Jhansi addresses Tambe. State priest. It is our privilege and joy to have such a noble queen. She will surely, she will surely, she will, sorry, she will surely bring honor to the name of Jhansi. Now let's begin scene 4. Narrator. As the wheel of life turns. The wheel of the life turns means here time passes. The Rani of Jhansi faces many turning points in her life. Her happiest moment is when a son is born to her in 1851. But 3 months later, the baby dies. At the fort of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao and Rani Lakshmibai are in a serious discussion. Gangadhar. Rani, I am very worried. The British are rapidly increasing their power. And now there is a new law. It says that if a king dies without leaving a heir, means a person legally entitled to the property or rank of another on that person's death, his kingdom will be taken over by the British. Rani. Yes, I know. The cunning British have taken over many kingdoms like this, and our son is no more. Gangadhar says, but Rani, we can adopt a son if you agree. Rani replied, I would be very happy to do that. Now, let's begin scene 5. Narrator. Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a son and call him Damodar Rao. What was the name of adopted son? Damodar Rao. But fate has another tragedy in store for the Rani. Fate means destiny. The day after their son comes home, Gangadhar Rao passes away. The British refuse to recognize the adopted son as his successor. He is not granted the right to rule. One day at the fort in Jhansi, court, courtier announces, Major Alice to see the Rani. The major enters and is seated. Rani. Major Ellis, I have written many letters to the Governor General Lord Dalhousie regarding my son. Why is he not being granted the right to rule? So the Major Ellis replied, because he is only an adopted son, Rani Lakshmi Bai. He cannot be the heir to the throne. And regarding yourself, I have an order from the Governor General of India. You are to leave the fort and live in a palace in the city. The fort of Jhansi will now come under British protection. Rani replied, protection from whom? How unjust your laws are. I shall appeal against this order. So, children, we will continue scene 6 in our next video.